Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you ImageTech Systems enhanced connector between Business Central, business management solution for small to medium-sized organizations, and Kofax AP Essentials, an automated document processing system that utilizes remote cloud computing. This enhanced connector is installed on Business Central underneath the extension management. You can see here we have AP Essentials extension, and it is managed just like any other extension that you would install here. The main window that you're going to be using to configure the extension is the OCR service setup screen. You can see up at the top we have username and password, some connection information under the service section. We'll make sure that these are correct for your region and for your AP Essentials tenant. As part of the initial configuration of this connector, we'll make sure that we assign an admin user on the AP Essentials side, and you'll use that login information for your username and password. The authorization key we will take from your AP Essentials tenant under the target system API key. So once you've input the correct information up at the top and under the service section, you'll want to make sure that the master data sync is enabled. And then we will click enabled, accept the terms and conditions. And there will be a couple of job queue entries that are created at this point. We don't need to see those. And you'll also want to click enabled extended and accept the terms and conditions. And I'll just show there are a few other job entries that are created at this point, which will govern the data that gets sent back and forth between AP Essentials and Business Central. So for future reference, those are named like this. We can just keep these on hold for the time being until we have a schedule that we want to run those on. And you'll see once the extended portion has been enabled, we have a few other sections appearing on the OCR server setup screen. I'll go into greater detail on what all of these features are. We have a few tiers to our extension, depending on your license level. When you click on Enabled Extended, a license check will be run to make sure that you have the appropriate license for um, the enhanced connector, and at that point it will let you know if you are licensed properly or not. You can scroll down to the bottom and see your license type and whether it is active or inactive. One more thing that we'll want to do just at the beginning here is test your connection. This will make sure that you can authenticate to your AP Essentials tenant, and that has succeeded.